Hi, my name's Nicole. Today I'm looking at a problem that has to do with Big Blue Healthcare Inc.'s stock. I know that the stock has a beta of 1.4. It has a risk-free rate of 4.25%, and I know that the market risk premium on the stock is 5.5%. Given this information, what is the required rate of return on the stock if I choose to invest in it? I'm going to solve this problem today both manually and using Excel. In order to find out what Big Blue Healthcare Inc.'s required rate of return is, we can use the formula provided by the security market line. The formula says that the required rate of return on any stock is equal to the risk-free rate plus the required rate of return on the market minus the risk-free rate multiplied by beta. The difference between the required rate of return on the market and the risk-free rate is also referred to as the market risk premium. In this case, we were told what the market risk premium is, so there's no need to find the required rate of return on the market and then subtract the risk-free rate. If we look at the information we are provided, the risk-free rate is equal to 4.25%. The market risk premium is equal to 5.5%, and beta in this case is set at 1.4. If we use these figures and substitute them into the formula, we see that we get the risk-free rate of 4.25% plus the market risk premium of 5.5% times the beta of 1.4. When we do the calculations, we find that the required rate of return is equal to 11.95%. We'll now go about solving this using Excel. To solve this problem and find out what Big Blue Healthcare Inc.'s required rate of return is, using Excel, we're still going to use the same formula used before with the security market line. The formula is noted here as the risk-free rate plus the market risk premium times beta. So in order to find this out using Excel, we're going to begin by entering the information we know. So the risk-free rate is equal to 4.25%. Again, expressed as a decimal so that we can just plug the cell name into the formula. We know that the market risk premium is equal to 5.5%, and we know that beta is 1.4. Using this information, we can calculate the required rate of return, and we know that that is equal to the risk-free rate plus the market risk premium of 5.5% multiplied by beta. There's no need to put parentheses in this formula because the multiplication will automatically happen before the addition in this formula. And we see that, again, we get a required rate of return of 11.95%.